properties exercise. Question 1. In the paragraph below, write solid, liquid, or gas in each of the brackets depending on the substances referred to just before. Answer. On a bright sunny day, Ria and Gorgi are playing with a ball, solid. In the park, Gargi feels thirsty, so Ria brings a tender coconut water, liquid, for her. At the same time, a strong breeze, gas, starts blowing and it also being to rain, liquid. They run back into the house, solid, change their clothes, solid, and then their mothers give them a cup, solid, of hot milk, liquid, to drink. Question 2. Discuss. A. Ria pours some water from her bottle into another bottle. Does it change the shape of the water? Answer. No. Shape of the water does not change because it does not have a shape of its own. It takes the shape of the container. B. Halima picks up a small stone from the ground and puts it in the water in a dish. Does the shape of the stone change? Answer. Shape of stone doesn't change. It has the shape of its own. Question 3. Write the properties of these substances. Answer 1. Water. 1. It is universal solvent. 2. It is dissolve many substances. 3. It is tasteless and odorless liquid. 4. It is found in solid, liquid, and gas form. 2. Glass. 1. It is a solid substance obtained on making silica or sand. 2. Characteristic features of glass is brittleness. 3. Chalk. 1. It is insoluble in water. 2. Characteristic features of chalk is brittleness. 4. Iron ball. 1. Characteristic features of iron ball is metability, ductility, electrical and thermal conductivity. 2. It also has sonority. 5. Sugar. 1. It is soluble in water. 2. It has sweet taste. 6. Salt. 1. It is soluble in water. 2. It has salty taste. 7. Flour. 1. It is insoluble in water. 2. It is obtained after the grain are ground finely. 8. Coal. 1. It is inflammable. 2. It is brittleness. 9. Soil. It is solid substance obtained in nature. It is mixture of soluble and insoluble substances. 10. Pen. It is artificial product made from plastic and metal. 11. Ink. It is liquid substance has different color. 12. Soap. 1. It has solid and liquid form. 2. Soap are soluble in water. They form soap solution. Question 4. What is sublimation? Write the names of everyday substances that sublimate. Answer. The change of a solid substance directly into a gas or vapor without first changing into a liquid is called sublimation. For example, camphor, naphthalene, dry ice, iodine crystal. Question 5. What is it made from? Why? A. A sickle to cut sugarcane. Answer. It is made from iron. It has sharp edge which cut the sugar canes very easily. B. The sheet used for roofing. Answer. It is made from aluminium because aluminium is durable and rust free. It can protect house from heat and rains. C. A screwdriver. Answer. It is made of tough steel. Steel is strong, hence help in joining nuts and bolts. D. A pair of tongs. Answer. It is made of stainless steel, which is durable, strong and rust free. E. Electric cables. Answer. These are made up of good conductor of electricity. For example, copper. F. Ornaments. Answer. These are made up of gold or silver because they are easily molded into the different shapes. G. Pots and pans. Answer. Pots and pans are made of stainless steel, brass or aluminium because aluminium is a lightweight metal with good thermal conductivity. Also, in pots of stainless steel, the chemical reactions with food does not take place. Question 6. What will happen if and why? A. Nails are made of plastic. Answer. If nails are made of plastic, it can't withstand hammering. Also, they can't be helpful in piercing. Hence, nails should not be made from plastic, they should be made from metal. B. A bell is made of wood. Answer. Wood cannot release sound when sticked, which metal can release. Wood does not have property of producing ringing sound. C. Rubber is not filled on a pair of tongue. Answer. The pair of tongue is made up of steel. For example, metal. If rubber is not filled on a pair of tongue, then it got heated due to thermal conductivity and that may cause burn. D. A knife is made of rubber. Answer. If knife is made of rubber, then it can't be used for the cutting purpose because it won't have sharp edge for cutting purpose. E. An axe is made of rubber. Answer. The rubber axe will rebound on hitting an object due its elastic nature while metal axe can't rebound to hitting. Thus, the purpose of hitting is achieved through metal axe. Question 7. Who am I? A. I am found in thermometer. I measure you temperature. Answer. Mercury. B. I make things hot or cold. Answer. Temperature or heat. C. I have no shape whatsoever. Answer. Liquid and gas. D. I dissolve in water but not in kerosene. Answer. Salt. Question 8. Why does this happen? A. Coconut oil thickness in winter. Answer. The freezing point of coconut oil is less in winter. The atmospheric temperature is low, thus in winter the freezing point of coconut oil is reached. Thus it freezes and appears thick. B. Kerosene left open in a dish disappears. Answer. The kerosene left in an open dish disappears due to evaporation. C. The fragrance of increase stick lighted in one corner of a room spreads to the other corner. Answer. When incense sticks are lighted, they release fragrant smoke, which is spread in all the corner of the room. Thus, the fragrance of incense stick lighted in one corner of a room spread to the other corner. D. What you see in the picture. Answer. The balloon floats on water while apples settle on the bottom of water.